was a picture.
I'm sassy, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty, hacking, stupid, what's happening, bitch, what's happening, bitch, I'm sassy.
Hey cuties, this your girl Niger Beauty back with another video. This video will be on this glitter glam look that I created in this COVID-19 season. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this. Definitely comment on what you guys want to see in the future, so I won't just be posting shit that y'all don't really want to see. Now let's get into this look. So I'm starting off with my Karity Pre-Shadow Primer. I then blend that all over my lid. I'm starting this look off with Juvias Afrique palette in the color Niger. I pack that all over my lid and gradually blend upward. I go in that same palette and use the color Aya. I use that color to blend out the green outer corners. I then go in with my Crayon Case Box of Crayons palette in the shade blue. Y'all don't talk about my blue. I use it a lot. I then use that color to blend out my eyeshadow look on the outer corners and bringing it inward into the crease. I then go back and forth in the palette between the green, the yellow, the blues, just to give that airbrush effect on the shadow. I then go in with my 100% petroleum jelly skin protectant and I carve out my crease using just a Q-tip. I then go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey and put that all over where I put the petroleum jelly and carve out my crease for my cut crease. Again, I go back and forth with starting off with the blue, then the green, then the yellow, just to give that airbrush effect on the outer corners. I then go in with that Juvias palette and I use the colors Contonou mixed with Togo to act as a base under my glitter. For my glitters today, I'll be mixing Fltteredbyro loose glitter in a blue chunky glitter pigment, as well as the MoeGlitz&Glam all things glitter in the color Schmoney, using my duo lash glue. For my liner, I'll be using the NYX Epic Ink liner in the color black. Using a spoolie, I brush off the fallout glitter from my lashes. For mascara, I'll be using the Lancome High Definition Mascara in the color Black. For my lashes, I'm using my go-to Poppy&Ivy 5D Darling Lashes in the style Kenya. For my face, I start off with my Juvias Place I Am Magic Foundation in Angola 140. And I mix that with the MAC Studio Fix Foundation in NW55. For concealer, I'm using the Juvias Place Concealer in the number 8. As well as my contour, I'm using the Juvias Place Foundation Stick in the shade Congo. To set the concealer, I'm using the Sasha Buttercup Setting Powder. And to set the contour, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette Medium to Dark in the shade Contour. For blush, I'll be going into my Juvias Place The Nubian 2 palette. And I'm using that shade Jezebel. For my highlighter, y'all know I gotta rock with my girl Crayon Case in the Angola highlighter powder. I then set my face with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And then y'all know I have to come out with my fan and blow that away. For my lips, I'm starting off with my Nika K lip pencil in the color Dark Brown. And on the inside, I am going with my Lip by Schmoney in the shade 022. Y'all, this shade is the bomb. I use this lip combo with every look. And this completes the look. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Mwah.